Now our reservation's accepted. So what we need to do is take the lower of the two numbers, because if we only have, let's say, 18 reservations requested with a limit of 22, well, we just take those 18 then. Now, what if we have over the 22? So let's say I ended up with 23 reservations requested. Well, I can't take all 23. I have to stop at 22. So this is the opposite of what we did in our previous simulation with a max call. We're going to do a min call here. We're going to do a minimum between our limit and our reservations requested, because we don't want to go over our limit. But if we have less reservations than requested, we will select that. So again, to recap here, if we are dealing with the reservations requested and accepted, we're going to take a minimum between the two of them, because we always want the lower of the two values. For example, if our limit's set at 22 and there's 20 requests, we only accept the 20 because that's the only one that came through. We don't have 22 requests that came through. We only have 20, so take those 20. So out of the two of those values, we're going to pick the smaller of the two. So we're going to pick the 20 requests when we have the 22 and the 20. Because we only have 20 requests, so that's all we're going to take. But if our requests were higher than our limit, then we stop at our limit. So again, we take the lower of the two numbers. We take the 22, it's lower than the 23 because that's where we stop. So we always grab the lower of the two numbers, so we use a minimum call. You could also use an if call and say, okay, if my number requested is over my limit, then stop at my limit. You're welcome to do that also.